Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will tell you how you can get copyright-free images and videos for making YouTube videos as well as for other purposes. So in order to get copyright-free videos and photos, you will need to visit a website called pexels.com. Let me just go on Google and type pexels.com. So the website pexels.com, www.pexels.com. So this pexels.com provides you with copyright-free images and videos. So when you come to the Pexels website homepage, you can actually see a lot of free stock photos which are absolutely royalty-free. And you can actually download these photos simply by clicking here, and it will automatically download that particular photo, and actually you can use it to make any video or to post it in your website or anything without having to worry about any copyright issues. So if you come back up here, you can actually see the video section. You can click on the video section and it will redirect you to the page where you can find tons of videos. So you can actually see a lot of videos here. Let me just go up in the search result and search for. So once you search for pets, it actually gives you results regarding videos containing pets. You can actually download these videos and you can use it. All these videos are absolutely free and without any royalty. I will just show you how to download. Just click on this download button right there and the video will be downloaded. So you can actually see that video, which is a short video of 9 seconds, which you can actually upload as a short video with an audio. Similarly, you can find tons of videos relating to various topics on this website called pexels.com. So I hope you found this video really useful. If you found this video useful, do subscribe, and I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, do subscribe my YouTube channel as well as give a like and comment to this video. Thank you for watching.